Hi friends, I am Sajesh and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the battery life and how many screen on time hours you can actually expect in this Mi11 device. As you can see friends, so this is a Mi11 smartphone, and in this test I have used the full HD display and 60 Hz refresh rate. The reason why I'm doing this kind of test because this is a test 2, there's a test 1 as well, which has the Quad HD resolution and the 120 Hz refresh rate. If you want to know the results, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. You can find all the videos together for this particular phone, even for this live wallpapers. So make sure to check the links, friends. So everything will be available in the description below. So you can definitely get all the details in the description. So these are the settings which I have used. I did use the live wallpaper during this time of testing, trying different wallpapers, and these are the settings for the display. Full HD place and the refresh rate 60 Hz, and the AI engine, as you can see, I did not turn on anything else except this enhance videos, so everything was off here. As you can see, these are the few settings which I have used, and right now the battery percentage is about 4%. As you can see on the top, friends, it's about 4% exactly. So this is my usage, 18 hours and 7 minutes, as you can see. So this is my screen on time, how much I have got. 7 hours and 39 minutes. As you can see, friends, 7 hours and 39 minutes. That's a really good screen on time. If you are using the full HD and the 60 Hz refresh rate, this is what you get in this phone. But during this time, I did play a couple of Genshin Impact gaming test as well. As you can see here, Genshin Impact gaming test. So that's what you are seeing, this kind of draining in the battery huge in the red mark, as you can see. So there's a little bit of gaming included, and most of the time I did do the WhatsApp video call chat. So maybe close to 1 hour of WhatsApp video calling as well I did in this phone using the Wi-Fi connection, not the 4G, not the 5G, only using the Wi-Fi connection during this time of testing. So these are the quick results, friends, and I'll try to take the screenshot every time I get this kind of results, so I can compare with the next update whether it's got improved or not. But these are the few results, and I did not use any kind of power saving mode, nothing is enabled. So these are the few details, and thank you for watching this video, friends. And overall it feels good in this phone because of big screen and less battery, 4600 mAh of battery. I did expect a screen on time close to 7 hours and 6 hours only, so it's a kind of good thing in this phone. So that's it for this video, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video for more details, and stay tuned. Bye.